Hello, I'm Yulia Vida, an English teacher at MAN 1 Malang. Today, I will be teaching my students in the 11th grade, Phase F, about the second semester material, which is announcement. The students in this classroom have diverse level of English so that the materials are adjusted to their proficiency level using the scaffolding strategies. The tool or the technology used in this lesson is Canva for Education. I've been using this tool for around 3 years. Without leaving the site, students can learn and access their interactive materials, complete assignments or worksheets, and also receive a real-time feedback. It is easy to use, simple, and accessible for everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm feeling great, thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Please, one of you, maybe Diva, lead the prayer, please. Thank you so much. Now, let me call your name for attendance. The first one, Adina. Okay, Adelia. Before we go to this next topic, we will review the previous topic, which is asking for and giving opinion. So, could you please tell me, Ayla, how do you ask for another opinion?
What is your opinion about?
Blah, blah, blah. Okay, what is your opinion? And then, Azza, what do you think? Well done. Okay, and what about if we want to answer atau we want to give the opinion? Wilda? I think, nice one. And then Alif? In my opinion. Any other? I believe. And then what about saya merasa? I feel. Well done. Yes. Kira-kira seperti itu materi yang sebelumnya. Dan yang hari ini kita akan belajar soal announcement. Gitu. Have you ever learned about that? Yes. So, what kind of announcement that you see maybe on the internet? Football announcement and then? KRL. Okay, that can be. Any other answer? That also called as announcement. But to step out of our comfort zone, untuk announcement kali ini kita temanya adalah culinary. Okay, gitu. So we will learn a lot about food, drink, and kitchen, something like that. In this topic, you're going to achieve this in the end of the lesson. Jadi kalian akan read and identify culinary related to announcement. Jadi ada reading, and then the second one is write announcement text related to culinary topics. Jadi we will focus only on reading and writing. And the next one is this one. So just to get to know about culinary, I want you to scan this. Okay. So what is inside? Apa yang ada di dalamnya? Yes, boleh accept. Choose start. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So what do you think? Yang vocabulary ini tadi, kalian mengetahui vocab atau kosakata gitu ya, yang berhubungan dengan announcement. Could you tell me one? Internship. Okay, what is the meaning of internship? Magang. Any other? Okay, deadline. What is deadline? Okay, registration. Okay. Oh, what is that? Oh, celemek, apron. Okay. Nice one. Ya. Jadi itu untuk mengingat saja kembali tentang vocab yang berhubungan dengan culinary gitu ya. Next one. Please scan this. Jadi untuk hari ini kita akan belajar full dari Canva aja gitu. Yes. And please open page 24. You will find a game. So in this page 24, you will play a tic-tac-toe. Have you ever played that one, tic-tac-toe?
Yes.
Yes, yang kayak gimana itu gamenya? Yes, XOXO. Itu kalau kalian bisa membuat garis X, entah itu vertikal, horizontal, atau diagonal, maka kalian pemenangnya. Akan ada 2 player, yang satu jadi O, yang satu jadi X. Oke, coba kalian tentukan dulu siapa yang jadi X dan siapa yang jadi O. Sudah? Alright. Now, this group will do the first one, and then this one will do the second one. Yes. Where is it? This one. And this group will do the third one. Yes, that one. Oke, setelah itu gimana caranya kalian bisa mengisi X dan O-nya gitu. Kalau kalian bisa berhasil menjawab satu pertanyaan, maka kalian boleh mengisikan. Dan menjawabnya berdasarkan teks yang ada di situ. Yes.
Teman student.
Yes. So who win the game? Raise your hand. Alright, Wilda. Nice one. Congratulations. Give applause. Okay, so what do you think about the game? Apa yang kalian pelajari dari teksnya? Kita ambil dari sini dulu. Tadi itu announcement-nya soal apa?
Tentang cooking class
Cooking class yang akan diadakan?
di dapur sekolah.
Okay, school kitchen. Nice one. What about the second announcement? What is it about? Kompetisi kuliner yang where will be held? Di mana? School hall. Oke. Pesertanya? Culinary student. Jadi gimana? Dengan adanya pertanyaan itu tadi, kalian lebih memahami teksnya?
Yes.
Yes, right. So we will continue to the material. Just like what you have learned previously, that announcement is pengumuman gitu ya. Dan it can be pengumuman for anything. This one. Okay, so there are a lot of types of announcement gitu ya. Apa aja tadi? Wedding announcement. Birth announcement. Missing person, death. Winner. And yes, well done. Yes, competition. Giveaway, it is also types of announcement. So yeah, we will do the definition first. Itu ada peristiwa atau event yang tujuannya untuk diketahui masyarakat secara umum atau society gitu. And the next one, the function adalah untuk mengumumkan gitu ya. Dan itu harus berdasarkan fakta yang ada. And you have learned about types of announcement. The next one is the structure. Kalau kalian ingin membuat announcement, pasti ada strukturnya. Kalau dari yang sebelumnya udah kalian pelajarin di Tic-Tac-Toe game tadi, kira-kira struktur announcement itu ada apa aja? Nice one, judul. And then sebelum ke isi, kita ada pengenalan atau kita sebutnya opening, dan di situ isinya ada pengenalan dan juga tujuan kayak gitu. And then baru isi, and the last one is closing. Yes. So only 3. Kayak gini. Any questions about the structure? No, it's quite simple, right? Only 3. Language feature-nya atau kebahasaan apa sih yang kita gunakan? Simple present tense. Kalau yang di contohnya kalian tadi apa? Contohnya we invite you to join. Nah, itu adalah simple present. Kalau simple future, contohnya it will be held. Remember to send, what is it? Please? Yes, please bring misalkan peralatannya. So yeah, that's the material for the announcement. It's quite simple and easy for you to understand, I guess. And we will continue. You can read the materials there, sudah lengkap di sana kalau kalian ingin membaca materinya ya. Page 32. What do you see there? Page 32. Yes, what do you see there? writing worksheet, right? Yes. Jadi di situ kalian akan masih berkelompok lagi. Silakan boleh memilih topiknya dan kalian membuat an announcement yang berdasarkan dari judul yang ada di atas. Okay. So for example, if you choose the second one, you will make announcement about healthy snack competition, something like that. And remember to use the material the previously that we have learned. Jadi ada simple present, simple future, itu dimasukkan semuanya. Imperative sentence termasuk. Dan jangan lupa ada title, opening, details, dan closing. Juga sender. Okay? Any questions about this one and also the previous material? All good? All good. So what is your topic about?
It's about open lab practice.
And remember to make space untuk sendernya siapa. Okay? Well done. Yeah. So what is it about? Hotel. Okay? You will have 30 more minutes to do this, but I see a lot of progress here. So good job, everyone. Okay, 5 more minutes to do this. Have you finished? Yes, alright. Jadi di sini selain kalian bisa melihat hasil kalian juga bisa melihat hasil teman-teman kalian kayak gitu. And that's wonderful. You follow the outline of how to make the announcement. Well done. Also, I will give you feedback here so that you can see that one. From group 2, you can see my feedback there and you can improve for your next writing. It's easy, right? You can see the feedback and also your friends' work in one site, in one link. So you have already written your announcement dan kita coba review dulu apa itu announcement. What is announcement? Yes, pengumuman. And what is the structure that you write in the announcement? Opening, content, closing. Nice one. And what the language that you use? Simple present, simple future, imperative. Yes, well done. And what topic did you write about today? What about Ice? What topic do you write? Open lab practice. Okay. What about Alif? Okay, Maurel. Who is the participant? Who can join? All students? Okay, all students. Nice one. What about Shifa? What your topic? Okay, student recipe book. So, when will it be held? Okay, May 20th. Nice one. So, give applause to you all for writing all the good work. And this will be our last activity, which is the exit ticket. So, this is the reflection. You can open page 41. So, there are this reflection. I want you to make a copy. So, page-nya itu di copy aja, and then you can answer what did I learn today, a question that I still have, and also how did I feel about today's lesson. Maybe 10 minutes is enough to fill out that. Okay. So have you done the reflection, the exit ticket? Yes. Okay. Nanti juga saya akan menilai writing kalian sesuai dengan rubrik yang ada di sini. Gitu. Thank you so much, and we will see each other again in the next meeting. And in the next meeting, we are still going to learn about announcement, but we will go deeper and with another interesting topic. All right. So we have done the reflection, and also I think that's all for today's meeting. Let's say the dua after studying. So yeah, thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.